much outside. The power is going off. The power is turning off. Oh my. Alright, we're going upstairs. I'm gonna post this to YouTube. I'm not filming anybody's faces. Oh my. Whoa! Look at it from my room. Wow. Before this hit, I saw a huge wall of rain. Yes. Oh my god. The tree's gonna snap on the road. Look at their roof. Look at all that water. I'm like, oh, my room. Wait, let's go to my room. Leave the gate open. Yes, I'm getting a spam call. Let's call it.
All schools and buildings are currently under a weather-related shelter-in-place until further notice. This is due to a weather service advisory. We will let you know once the shelter-in-place has been lifted. Thank you.
Thank you. What's that? Whoa. Okay, so right now we are under a tornado warning. I'm filming this video. I'm kind of pacing around right now. Like, I'm scared. I'm actually about to pee my pants, like, shivering me timbers. Let's hope we all stay together. Go turn off that fan. Go turn off it. We don't want to waste power. I'm going to keep my shoes on if we need to run out. I don't even think we need to. I'm going to grab my iPad and this charger because I'm going to go watch some videos. It can sense that there's danger. Okay, so I'm gonna show you. Do you mind if I go into your room to show them the? Should I go? The trampoline. It's like my parents are going out to get it. But, yeah. Go, Ace. Come on, Ace. Go. Yeah. That's just scary. All three pets are downstairs. Okay, so actually, we were on flood watch yesterday. We're on flood watch now and tornado watch. I'm gonna turn off lights. Well, just those lights. I'm scared right now. They're trying to get the trampoline back. They can't use. Rosie can't use the restroom. Ace is using the restroom. Don't listen to that. Cormac. Person at the trampoline, please. They're under the trampoline. Please. Come on. I got this. Come on, I love this trampoline with all my life. Please. This is the one that I got hurt on and got a bloody nose. Please. Come on, Dad. You got this. Come on, Dad. You got this. Oh, I wonder how much water is pouring on them. Yeah. I see Mom. I see Mom and Dad's. Yes. Yes. Yes, come on, Mom. Come on, Dad. Yeah. Yes. Let's go.
did,
Ooh,
but
no. why is our trampoline did? No. Oh, I'm gonna.
It's still broke. Look at all the parts that fell out.
Where? Oh my. Oh no. No, because it looks like a taco.
Yeah, it does.
Wait, you can hear them talking. Ace, quit breathing so hard. I'll be back. I'm gonna go see what's going on through my window. Okay, so that's sad. So I guess we don't have a trampoline anymore. That was an expensive trampoline. Oh my God, Cormac. Bricks couldn't even hold it up.
Yeah, pass. Also.
There was like, I think like 3 bricks holding it up. Yeah. And those fell. Oh no! Our trampoline looked like a deformed taco. Oh my God. This is just sad. So bricks couldn't hold it up. Yeah, that's gonna break it. That's gonna break it. Why are they putting a brick on it? Like that's kind of idiot. That's kind of idiot idea. Yeah, it's gonna rip through the trampoline, like he said. Rezzy, calm down. Okay, so we're not gonna have a trampoline anymore. All the animals are worried. What are they? How? Okay, so Rosie's worried. Ace is also worried. Power went off like 2 times or 1. I think like 2 times. And okay, they're coming back in. Rest in peace, trampoline. I'll show you if we still have a trampoline though. Hey, Quark. Trampoline's done for. No more trampoline. My fart. Anyways, it's done for. No more trampoline. Wait until the storm is over. And then I'll pull a few because I think we still have to go through a flood. But anyways, just whenever your phone is charged, come downstairs if you want. Dad told me to pass the lid on to you. So